Yeah, boy.
Naughty America.
You've been to Starbucks and you haven't got those Instagram hipster tots sliding in your DMs. That's why I'm here today. I'm here to show you how to get those hipster chicks at Starbucks.
On a budget.
Probably watching this on an Android device, playing at 240p to save that data so you can watch people ghost you every time you text someone. Well, say goodbye to that. Cause I'm here to show you how to flex properly. Here's how you do it. You're gonna need two things. Get a MacBook, but not a MacBook. Next item, you're gonna need a sticker. An Apple sticker. Where do I get that from? From your house, or flick it from your neighbor's house, or your girl's dad's house. Then, you slap it on your so-called Mac, not like this, but like this. If you don't get chicks even by doing this, then I'm afraid you've been tested positive for being ugly.